Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Happy Monday, everyone. How was your weekend? How's everything going for you? Hopefully that you're having a great Monday. If you are new here, my name is Noura Al Masri. I am an enrolled agent and the founder of Noura's Books. I'm also known as a nonprofit CFO. So I'm here today to talk about something else, not the nonprofit. We're talking today about a strategy that you might be eligible for and that can save you a lot of money in taxes. Actually, this is one of the greatest strategy that you could use to, and when we do tax planning, we tell you exactly like how can you benefit from this and what do you need to do in order to benefit. Now, not everyone can benefit from this, of course, because this is actually, as you see in the title, hiring your kids. So, can you hire your kids? We all know that we don't want to get in trouble on minor labor, right? So, but this is different. Only for the parents who have kids, you can hire your kids for your business only. That's the only case that is minors can be hired. They can work for their parents' business. So this is actually a great strategy because when you hire someone, this is an expense for your business. So that will reduce your profits. Therefore, you won't have to pay taxes in the entire profit. You will be deducting what you are paying your kids. And actually, just so I cover this, you really need to pay them and they really have to be working for you. So you cannot make it up. You actually need to set everything the right way. But instead of paying someone else, you can pay your kids. You're paying your kids anyway, right? So you can pay them when they work for your business so that you can get two benefits. You pay them already. And then the other thing is you get deduction. So you save big money in taxes. Now, you can pay them up to the standard deduction so they don't have to file taxes, even though I would really recommend that you file taxes anyway just to see if there's anything they owe or due to them or anything, but they can still be under your taxes. Chen. Sure, Shan, you can ask your question and I'll answer you toward the end of the live course. So, yeah. So you can actually get your kids paying. Hey, Shane. You can get your kids paid from your business and you can save a lot of money. So if you have more kids, you hire more kids. However, you have to have a job description. You have to have all the documents in file. Like if you're hiring someone, just a stranger, like someone to your business, you should track their hours. So make sure you are tracking all the hours. Hey, Brittnei. So you have to keep all that records in case you get audited. You need to have all of that organized. Now, there's no age limit, so you can hire your kids no matter how old are they, if the job description and the job they are doing is something they can logically do. So for example, you cannot hire a 3 years old that running your social media, right? They cannot run your social media. They can help you with some other stuff, but not running your social media. So that's just an example. There's no age limit as long as these are your own kids. So this is just the general rules. You have job description. We said you cover you document their hours. You have all the documents like I-9, everything that is required from any other employee, just to make sure you have everything in file. Then this is a great benefit, guys, because like I said, we're paying our kids anyway. So why not actually pay them out of the business and save taxes? And also, you teach your kids to be like disciplined, to do work that you get them excited for your business. Actually, you it's not, I don't know how much the kids will be excited to work for their parents, but as the younger they are, the best you get them excited. So you can get them excited easier, I mean. But when they get older, when they see that you are actually transferring money to their bank account, they get excited about that. But also you want to teach them how can they manage the money. And this is a great opportunity for them to actually know how to manage their money. You can create retirement accounts for them. Like we all love to have at least a retirement account that's saving money for later. You have a lot of options to save for the future. So the younger they are, the better money that they have in their retirement accounts when they get older. So who wouldn't want to do have their kids like set them out for success, have them excited for working, discipline, and all everything they need to be doing? You want to make sure to have their separate bank accounts. So you cannot just withdraw the money and say this is payment for my kids. I mean, you can if you document it, but it's not the best practice. The best thing is to have their own bank account. Of course, they are minor. You can be with them because you're the custodial parents. So, or they have to have you with their account. So whatever the bank is, but you are transferring the money every month based on the hour they worked for your business. So you have to have everything done and set up properly. You don't want to miss anything, and treat it, organize it the way you would do for regular employee. However, you want to actually make sure you're organizing everything. You're doing bookkeeping. If you're not doing bookkeeping, then guess what? You might be not doing everything correctly. You have to do bookkeeping. You have to do everything that is required in compliance, to be in compliance. So you do not want to skip any compliance work. Bookkeeping is essential to be able to do tax planning. Bookkeeping is essential to be able to do a proper tax return at the end of the year. Bookkeeping is required to be able to track every single thing in your business. So you want to make sure you set everything correctly. You want to make sure you do not have anything missing, nothing like if I come ask you today, okay, give me your kid job description, you should be able to pull it from the record and give it to me. How much did you pay your kid this year? You should be able to pull that record right away. You should have a folder for that, and make sure you include it on the bookkeeping and everything to make sure you have everything set up. Now, how much you're gonna save on in taxes? A lot. But all we can know, like when we do tax planning, usually we tell our clients, okay, here, if you have kids, if you pay this much for your kids, you're gonna save that much in taxes. Like I said, like you can pay them up to the $12,000, the standard deduction, which was like 12,950 for last year. So you want to make sure you have that in mind. Best thing is to consult with your accountant. If you do not have someone to consult with, I would love to talk to you and evaluate your situation. You can book a call at nourasbooks.com/contact. So if you are watching and YouTube, anywhere else on social media, you can go. I put the link on the screen. If you are watching me on IG, IIG, you can go to the link on the bio, which is noorasbooks.com. And then once you go to the website, you go to contact us, and then you can book a free strategy session to see if we are a good fit to work together and see how can I help you then. So I would love to talk to you about this if you don't have an accountant, or if your accountant not aware of this tax strategy and how to do this the right way. Okay. I'm just checking the question here from you, Shane. Okay, Shane. So you can actually. Okay, Shane. Hey, Sean. Okay, Sean. You can actually book a call with me at the link. Like I said, it's noorasbooks.com/contact. So, all right. Okay, just book a call and I would love to talk to you. My calendar is open still for June. So you'll be able to book a call pretty much fast. So let me see. I'm just going to post the link in the comments as well. I have it on the screen. And I don't know if it's going to show in the LinkedIn for you. I'll post it on LinkedIn for you as well when I get off this live. So yeah, I'll reply with the link. But this is the link. You can actually, on the screen, you can actually book a call, and I would love to talk to you and see how can I help you. All right, guys, I don't want to keep you here for longer, and I will talk to you soon about more strategies. If you have any question about this topic, feel free to comment or just book a call with me, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great one.